Hi, David here with some exciting news about a hot new business opportunity called FitSauna Studio. FitSauna Studio boasts the most powerful patented technology on Earth for triggering life-saving health, fitness, and anti-aging benefits. 4 keys to FitSauna Studio make it extraordinary. 1. Patented fitness elements. 2. Hundreds of training videos on Wi-Fi touchscreen TVs. 3. FitPass mobile app creates the world's first health and fitness vending machine. 4. 21 powerful life-saving benefits. 1 is FDA cleared. Think Uber meets Peloton. You can just imagine the number of profitable opportunities that exist with this new technology, especially when FitSaunas are 100% self-contained, safe, and private. Also, well known for killing a virus. We set them up in hundreds of quality locations with just 24 square feet. With the potential to generate $1,800 per month with only 2 users daily, you can imagine setting up 50 or even 100 units. Millions are big fans already. Add hot yoga, MMA, and other training routines on video, and that number never ends. Then there are those who prefer to just sit because they burn 600 calories each half hour watching TV. Want to set up one elegant FitSauna Studio business? Add several FitSaunas and Studio Fit Bombs to attract a much bigger, diverse crowd. No need to be a personal trainer. The videos do it all. Marketing is proven to attract, in some cases, up to 500 members who pay $59 each month. It all adds up to a great living with the security of knowing this is only the beginning. Exclusive territories are going fast. Contact us now.